Hey, cool, Judith here. I wanted to follow up with on a question that we received last week about how we create open captions for our videos. Open captions are captions that are a part of the video file. So that means that you cannot turn the captions off. No matter who is watching the video, they will see the captions. It is also important to note that those captions cannot be changed. So once they are a part of the video, they can't be edited from the video file itself. You would have to go back to the project file to make any edits. Also, you cannot adjust the caption. So I know I've seen a comment about, can I make the caption size larger? And you cannot enlarge the captions on open captions without enlarging the entire video. However, captions that are closed captions can be enlarged. They're a separate file that plays simultaneous to the video and in sync with the video. So for open captions, this is how I do them. I use a tool called Screencast-O-Matic, which we will definitely share in more detail with you, I believe in week 2 of Cool. And this is a screen recorder, but it also can capture your webcam too, and it can create a mashup of your webcam and your screen, so you can simultaneously record both if you would like to. This is a video that I just recorded that I need to add captions for. So the first thing that I do in Screencast-O-Matic is I click on Close Captions. And this is to add captions to my recording. You can upload a caption file if you have one, but what I do is I ask Screencast-O-Matic to translate the captions for me. So I use speech to text and I click Start. Then it takes a little bit, and depending on the length of the video, it can take a while for the captions to populate, but this one shouldn't take very long because it's a short video. Then the next step that I go through is I edit my captions. So this is probably the most tedious part of creating closed captions or open captions. I go through and I highlight and retype as needed, edit, add punctuation, add maybe some capitalization, mix case, and any editing that needs to be done. Then just for the purposes of time, because you don't want to sit and watch me go through all these captions, I say OK when they're finished. And then I say Save as video file. And here I make sure that my open captions are set to English. If my open captions are set to none, that means that my captions won't publish with the video, but if I have them set to English, they will publish with the video. Then I click Publish, and this is saving the video locally to my computer. From here, I now have a file that's an MP4 with open captions, and I upload that to YouTube, and I create an unlisted link for my video, or a public link depending on who I'm sharing it with, and that video will contain open captions. There are other options for creating closed captions. I know that some of our fellow Cool facilitators use other ways of captioning their videos, and they will share those methods for you, but this is what I do. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you around camp.